Hello, I'm Grace from BNi Data. In this video, I'll guide you through how to build your first estimate using BNi Access Square, powered by eConverge. Start by logging into your account. Then, from the menu on the left, click on Square Foot. This will open the Square Foot Estimate workspace where you'll begin your project. The first step is to choose an existing building project from the cost model database that's similar to your own. This helps ensure your estimate is based on a comparable real-world project. BNi Access Square provides a database of over 2,400 real-world projects, spanning 10 different building categories, from commercial to residential. In this video, we're going to walk through how to build a square foot estimate for a new assisted living facility, planned for construction in Georgia. Assisted living facility projects can be found under either the medical or residential categories, depending on the scope and design of the project. Let's select the medical building category. You can refine your search using 8 additional filters, such as location, foundation type, exterior and interior wall construction, roofing, flooring, project category, and project type. For this example, we'll click the Project Types button. From the drop-down menu, select the Assisted Living category. To make sure your costs reflect a new build, addition, or remodel, select the right option from the Project Type button. For our example, we'll choose the New option. In the Project Display window, you can click on any project to get more details. Let's select the Hope Assisted Living and Memory Care Center in Dula, Georgia. On the Cost Model Details page, you'll see the project's pricing broken down into square foot costs and non-building costs. Non-building costs include things like earthwork and demolition, which can vary by location and might need to be adjusted manually in your estimate. To adjust the dimensions of your project, move the mouse over the building square size data field and change the number. Keep in mind that all cost model pricing is set to the current month and year by default. If needed, you can adjust the time frame by updating the date range fields. BNi Access Square includes built-in metro area multipliers, allowing you to change your project's location. When you do, the system will automatically recalculate the costs based on local pricing. To adjust the pricing for a specific unit cost, go to the Details section and select the division you want. Then, click the plus button. From the drop-down, choose the unit cost you'd like to edit, and click the pencil icon. A pop-up window will appear where you can update the pricing and add any relevant notes to that item. To remove a unit cost, simply select the item and then click on the Delete icon. To add a unit cost to your estimate, select the Add Subdivision button. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the item category, division, name, and pricing. To share your estimate, click the Export My Project button. Choose Project Summary if you'd like a total by division, or select Project Details for a more detailed breakdown that includes both divisions and unit costs. To save your project, make sure you select the Save Project button before you end your session. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out using the contact information shown on screen.